Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove search bar from home screen on your iPhone 17 Pro. So on your iPhone 17 Pro there is a search bar at the bottom side of your home screen right here, and if you don't want to use it, or if you want to have a cleaner look of your home screen, you can turn it off. So let's go to settings, and you have to scroll to home screen section. It's called home screen and app library, and you want to find a search tab and disable that feature that says show on home screen. So if it's disabled, you will not see this search bar at your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.